Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to cut an object in half in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use Monkey Suzanne. Go to Add, Mesh. We can add Monkey Suzanne. Close up to view it. And then we can select Monkey Suzanne and go to Edit Mode. And then make sure that we select all the geometry. I press A to select all the vertex. And then go to Merge. And then we can use bisects. Okay. And click and drag, we can add a cutting plan and release the mouse button, and then we can see the plan here. Now I want to go to front view, and then we can open the bisect panel. We can set bisect plan to 0 in X, Y, and Z. So this is center of the object. And then we can set the plan normal. For example, I enter 1 in X and enter 0 in Y in Z. So we can click here inner to get half of the object. So we can see that this is half of object. We can click fill to fill a plane. So I go back to front view again. If you want to have the left part, we can check clear outer. Furthermore, we can adjust the plane normal Y to adjust the angle to cutting. So this is how we can cut an object in half in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.